To write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form given a point and a slope means that we would like to write the equation of a line in the form y equals mx plus b. Let's begin by substituting in everything we've been given. That 4, 5 is an x, y, and the slope is m. So replacing the y with 5, the m with 5 over 2, then the x with 4. Let's bring down the plus b, and now we have an equation to solve. To multiply 5 over 2 times 4, let's put that 4 over 1. Remember, to multiply fractions, we multiply across, so 5 times 4 is 20, and 2 times 1 is 2. I'll go ahead and bring down that plus b. Simplifying a bit, 20 divided by 2 is 10. To get b alone, let's get rid of that add 10 by subtracting 10. What I do to one side, I do to the other. And 5 minus 10 is negative 5. So our b is negative 5. We have everything we need to write the equation of this line. Replacing the m with 5 over 2 and the b with negative 5, we have the equation of our line. We're going to do one more example. It's going to look pretty much the same. However, I'm going to show you a trick on how we can avoid adding or subtracting some fractions. So starting with that equation, y equals mx plus b, we'll substitute in 2 for the x, negative 3 for the y, and 4 over 5 for the m. We're going to need to put that 2 over 1 so that we can multiply those fractions. Multiplying straight across, we have 8 over 5. Once we get to this step, it's common for students to cringe because they would rather not subtract 8 over 5. To avoid having to subtract fractions, what we can do is multiply both sides by the denominator. So in this case, let's multiply both sides by 5. On the left side, 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Now let's distribute the 5 through, and when you multiply 5 times 8 over 5, the 5's cancel and we get just 8. Then 5 multiplied by b is plus 5b. Those fractions are gone. Continuing to isolate b, I'll subtract 8 from both sides and then divide both sides by 5. When you divide both sides by 5, the 5's cancel and b is equal to negative 23 over 5. Now that we know both m and b, let's plug those into the equation, and our final answer is y equals 4 over 5x minus 23 fifths.